Dear students, today we shall study phrases. Before understanding what do you mean by phrase, let's have some examples. Okay students, are you ready? Very good. So example number 1, he is a man of great experience. Second example, my father will come in a few minutes. Okay, one more, to tell lies is very wrong. Okay students, let's have explanation now. In the first sentence, he is a man of great experience. Okay students, so here of great experience is a phrase. Okay students, of great experience is a phrase. Students, now this phrase makes sense, but it doesn't make a complete sense. Okay students, if we say just of great experience, then a question arises, what? So when we say he is a man of great experience, then this sentence will be meaningful. But this phrase makes sense that something is of great experience, but exactly what we could not able to understand from this phrase. As well as in this phrase, no subject is there and no predicator is there, or no subject and no verb is there. So it doesn't make a complete sense. Okay, but it makes some kind of sense. So this is a phrase. Okay student, now next example, my father will come in a few minutes. Okay students, now here in a few minutes we can understand when the father is going to come. Okay students, with the help of in a few minutes, this phrase we can understand when father is going to come. But in a few minutes, it doesn't make complete sense itself. It needed something. Okay, my father will come in a few minutes. Then only we can have a complete sense. Okay students, so here this phrase in a few minutes make a sense but doesn't make a complete sense. As well as it doesn't have a predicate and a subject. Again the last example now, to tell lies is very wrong. Okay student, so here to tell lies, in this phrase we don't have any subject as well as predicate, so this is a phrase. Okay student, then what exactly phrase is? See, let's have a definition or conclude. See, a phrase is a group of words that makes sense but not complete sense. Complete sense, for it has neither a subject nor a predicate. Okay, students? Yes. So this is called as a phrase. Okay, students, have you understood now what is a phrase? There are different kinds of phrases. For example, one is adjective phrase. Okay, students, if you want to understand what is adjective phrase, first of all we need to understand what is adjective. We know that adjective is a describing word. It modifies a noun. Okay, that is called as adjective. It gives more information about a noun. Okay, so that is called as adjective. It modifies noun. That is called as adjective. Let's have an example now. Okay, students, see here. First of all, I will write some examples, then we will understand. See, he holds. He holds a post of great importance. Okay, students. Now see in this sentence, he holds a post of great importance. This is a phrase. Okay, students. It makes a sense but doesn't make a complete sense. Of great importance. Okay, so a question arises. What of a great importance? Okay, he is a subject, holds is a verb, a post is a noun, a is a article, post is a noun. Okay, so what kind of post? What kind of post? Yes, what kind of post? The answer will be this phrase. Okay, it means what kind of post? It means post of a great importance. Okay, yes, and post is a noun and it describes a noun, so it is adjective. So this phrase is a adjective phrase. Okay, students, have understood now? One more example. I like flowers. With sweet scent. See, student, now in this sentence, with the sweet scent is a phrase. It is a phrase. Okay, it makes sense that something is sweet scent or with sweet scent, but what exactly we don't know, so it doesn't make a complete sense. Okay, students. Okay, and if we ask what, I like flowers, what kind of flowers? What kind of flowers? So with sweet scent. I like flowers with sweet scents. Okay, so here I is a subject, like is a verb, flowers is noun. Okay, and it gives more information about flower. Okay, so flowers is a noun and with sweet scent is a phrase which describes the flower. Okay, and the describing words is known as adjective. So this is the adjective phrase. Okay, student, very good. Okay, now let's have the next phrase, that is adverb phrase. Student, what is adverb? Yes, adverb modifies. It modifies. What? It modifies adjective. Okay, it modifies verb and it modifies adverb itself. Okay, so if you want to identify or learn about adverb phrase, we must know about adverb. What is adverb? So it modifies adjective, verb and adverb itself. Okay, students, have understood? Very good. Students, first of all, I will write example, then I will explain it to you. Okay, the first example of adverb phrase is John spoke in a very loud voice. Okay, student. Now, student, in this sentence, John spoke. How? How did he speak? He spoke in a very loud voice. Okay. So this part of sentence answers the question, that is, how did John speak? Okay, student. So this is a phrase which modifies the verb, that is spoke. Okay, student. And the words which modifies the verb is called as adverb. Okay. So it is a adverb phrase. Understood, student? John is subject, spoke is verb, and in a very loud voice. This is a phrase which describes the verb, and we know what is verb. Okay, so it is an adverb phrase. Now one more example we will have. He will come in a little while. Okay, students, if we ask a question, when he will come, when he will come, okay, answer will be in a little while, in a little while. Okay, students, so this is a phrase and it modifies the verb, that is come. Okay, students, that is come. Come is a verb, and this phrase in a little while, which makes sense but doesn't make complete sense, okay, is modifying the verb, so it is a adverb phrase. Okay, students, have understood? Very good. So this is adverb phrase. Now let's have the third phrase, that is noun phrase. Noun phrase. Okay, students, we have studied adjective phrase, adverb phrase, now noun phrase. Students, first of all, I will write an example, then I will explain it to you. I told him to see me in the evening. See, student, I told him to see me in the evening. See, I told is verb, him is object, okay, and as well as to see me in the evening is also object. Okay, student, object of the verb told. Okay, object of the verb told. But we know that object is always a noun. Okay, students, always a noun. So To see me in the evening is the object of told verb, so it is a noun and it is a noun phrase. Okay, students, have understood? To see me in the evening. What did I tell? I told him to see me in the evening. Okay, students, have understood now? Very good. Therefore, this is a noun phrase. Okay, very good. Okay, students, have understood? Very good. So today we have studied what do you mean by phrase. Okay, then we have studied some kinds of phrases, that is adjective phrase, okay, then adverb phrase, and at the last we have seen noun phrase. Okay, students, have understood? Very good. We have completed phrase and its kinds. Okay, very good. Thank you.